I just did a video on this. I might put a link down in the description of repairing this Blitzer 8901. It's a 15 mile or 25 mile 1 joule output unit. And when I fixed it, it's working just great, but my meter that I use, this analog meter, you hear arcing on the inside. It wouldn't give me the right volt reading. And I got thinking I probably need to put something in there to limit the voltage coming out, because I think it's pretty high. And it might be just overpowering that little tester, arcing it on the inside. So what I forgot that I could do is we can put this resistor inside here, and it will put a load across the fence and ground terminals internally, but it won't. It'll drag the voltage down just enough to where this will read it good, and it won't arc on the inside. So, and it'll probably be a little more efficient on the shock on the output side of the fence as well. So we've got to make a few little changes. Not a big deal. One thing I got to do is I got to pull these wires off, and I've got to cut these spade connectors off again. Strip them back. So I just did a little test with that on the outside, and it's exactly where I want it to be. So what we need to do is we need to take, I think we can still use these red ones or pink ones. We need to I'm going to twist these together right there, and I'm going to solder them. I'm going to do that both for the black and the red. And then we're going to snip that flush. I think we should be able to use the pink. If not, I've got the blue ones that are a little bit bigger. Yeah, let's use the blue ones. Yeah, there we go. And then we'll crimp that. That will go there. And we'll do the same thing here on the black one. We'll take this and we'll Alright, we'll take another blue spade connector. Just like that. Before we close it back, put the screws to it. Let's put this tester back on there. .8,000 volts, so probably just getting a little too much voltage out of it, causing an arc on the inside, which probably wouldn't have been safe for the output. You might burn, arc through an insulator to a T-post or something silly. But let's see what kind of spark it throws. It's throwing about a ½ inch, or a quarter inch, whatever you want to call it, earlier. So the spark is not as wide, but it's probably closer to what it was before originally. So we should be good to go there. So now we will put screws to it and put it back together. Alright, well, that's basically it for the little video. It's not short and sweet, and just something I had to do to kind of make this thing probably a little more robust on the inside for the output, everything. So this one's good to go. So until next time, see you guys later on. Remember to subscribe and tell your friends about us. Share this video to maybe someone that has a old vintage charter that needs to be worked on. We work on all brands and ages of these things. And until next time, we'll see you guys later on, and have a good rest of your day.